Hi, I'm Landon from Green Tool Garage, and a brand new release was just dropped on Home Depot site today. I'm going to unpack it, and we're going to take a look at it. It's a brand new USB lithium glue gun. And my opinion, I think this is going to be a huge upgrade compared to the USB lithium glue pen. But let's open it up and find out. All right, so it does use, looks like the full size. There's some good weight to it. Cool. Oh, hey! We'll put one glue stick in there. There's a power button right at the top here. So you press and hold it for it to go on, and it's blinking. I guess we need to wait until that blinking turns into a solid green light. All right, so the green light is still flashing. Wait for it to turn a solid green light. So this is supposed to be a fast heat up. There we go. It hit the 4-minute mark in order for it to turn a solid green, so now it's ready. Okay, so I grabbed a few pieces of scrap wood here. There goes one flying, so we can test this out. I let this sit while the element would heat up. In order to do that, it does have a flashing LED green light when you first power it on. You need to wait until that LED light turns into a solid green, and then it's ready. It did take 4 minutes to heat up, so if you think that's long or quick, I'll leave that up to you. I personally feel like that took a little bit longer than I was expecting. The USB lithium glue pen, I like to think that it was quicker than that. I don't feel like I had to wait 4 full minutes. And also the 18-volt glue gun seemed to heat up pretty much faster, but again, that's 18 volts. So I guess this is adequate. But let's test this out here. I'm gonna do just a couple of dabs. Oh, glue comes out nice and easy. That was smooth. So the trigger, boy, I really like the trigger. It's much smoother than the pen and easier to, obviously easier to control and easier to get the glue out. If we do this here, how about a nice long string or a row? It's pretty consistent too. Oh, I like that. This is actually smoother and easier to use than the 18-volt gun. This is very ergonomical, very comfortable. Pop that there, glue, and now if we just do simple dabs. All right. Again, easy, and pretty much it. So there's not a whole lot of detail to go into with this. It's a glue gun. The key features I like about it is it's small, ergonomic. At first, when I first looked at this tool, my first initial concern was, what about the drip? There's no drip tray, not even one that's integrated, and it didn't come with a drip tray that maybe we can put underneath it. And with previous glue guns, glue pen, you've used them before, where as soon as you're done dabbing it on something, the glue just starts dripping right from the tip there and onto whatever you have it laying on, which can actually damage your furniture, your workbench, and other items, and create a big mess and waste of glue. But look, you can see that right there. Nothing. There's no drip. That's impressive. Nice and small, easy peasy. So anyhow, this is available now at Home Depot. Was just dropped today. I'll leave a link up there, and also in the comment section, so you can easily click on it and order yours. I'm Landon from Green Tool Garage. Thanks for watching.